Welcome to this date calculations video. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. A common question could be something like, how much time did something take? We can easily create a date calculation to tell us. Here, let's say we want to know the average time it takes for an order to ship for each country. Right-click in the data window and select Create Calculated Field. We'll call this our time to ship. We'll use a function called dateDiff to get the amount of time between order date and shipping date. The dateDiff function needs to know what date part we want to consider. We'll use day. Please note that the date part, in this case day, needs to be lowercase, in single quotes, and singular. We also have a comma. Now, we'll bring out our start date, or order date, another comma, and our end date, or ship date. We see this calculation is valid, and we'll click OK. Let's color our countries by using time to ship. We'll change the aggregation to average, and we can edit the colors to a red-black diverging palette. And we'll reverse it because more time is bad. Now we can quickly see the countries who have the longest shipping time, and we can focus on those areas. Tableau works very well with dates. However, in this data set, we have our dates stored separately as day, month, and year. We want to create a calculated field that combines these fields into one that Tableau can recognize. We'll right-click in the data window, select Create Calculated Field, and we'll name this Tableau Date. In the calculation editor, we'll use the MakeDate function. This function lets us combine separate fields into a date. We simply need to bring in each piece in the right order. We'll drag in year, add a comma, month, add a comma, and day. The calculation is valid, and we'll click OK. Now we have a date that Tableau can recognize. And we have all the drill down and functionality that we expect with dates. Thank you for watching this date calculations training video. We invite you to continue with the on-demand training videos to learn more about using Tableau.